Today I'm walking you through exactly how to create a professional looking PDF using the free Open Scanner app. It's fast, simple and works right from your phone. Let's dive in. First, open the Open Scanner app on your phone. You will see a clean home screen with a big camera icon at the bottom center. Tap that to get started. Now you have got two options. Use your phone camera to snap photos of your document live or tap import to grab images straight from your gallery. For this video, let's scan a book. I will capture two pages. Just hold steady and tap the shutter. Perfect. Now you will see a preview. Drag the corner to crop out any messy edges or shadows. Once it's look clean, hit continue in the top right. Need more pages, then you can keep snapping. Now for the fun part, filters. Scroll along the bottom and try options like lighten, grayscale or my favorite, magic color. It instantly makes scan pop. I will go with magic color, tap it and then hit done. Your PDF is now built and ready. Tap the share button at the bottom, choose document sharing, then pick your method, email, WhatsApp, Drive, whatever works. And if you want to tweak it, hit edit PDF to reorder pages, add text or sign it digitally. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.